Mark Sesmond. I'm the plant manager at ANCA, so in charge of production, planning and all the stores functions. So at ANCA, we're trying to build our machine shop into a world-class facility. With that we need partners, the likes of Okuma. With some of the recent installations of the new Okumas, we've seen productivity improve with the MB500, the new double column machine which we use to machine our machine tool bases. We've seen the accuracy of those improve, and we've now seen in our assembly hall a reduction of up to 4 to 5 hours in hand scraping of that X-axis rail bed, just because the starting point is below 10 microns of flatness. 18 months ago, we blew a spindle drive on that horizontal mill in the morning. By about 8 o'clock that night, the spare spindle drive was in stock in Melbourne, and we had the machine running again the same day.
Hi, I'm Mark Patman. I'm the Operations Manager for ANCA Machine Tools here in Bayswater in Victoria, Australia. Through the production, through the operations side of things, we really need processes that are stable, accurate and produce quality parts. So we've relied on Okuma to do that through ANCA's history. The bed mill we had, as I said, was 26 years old. It was a very, very accurate machine and was basically producing the foundation of our machine tool. And the new machine we've got certainly has got that accuracy as well. Very, very impressed with the accuracy the old machine maintained, and we're seeing the same with that with the new machine we've just installed. ANCA's been in business for 50 years. They started making machines probably 40 years ago of that, and we bought Okuma machines in 30 years ago. So part of the ANCA history, part of the precision we need to be able to make our machines. And look, we've bought new machines to continue that history going forward. Thanks, Okuma.